Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a 3D bar graph in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Then open your graph. Select. Go to Insert tab. Sort and sort type. Select column sort or bar sort. Okay. Then click Customize. Sort style. Click the sort style drop down menu and see this 3D. Click here and now we can see this 3D sort bar graph, 3D bar graph. Then change the color, change text style, see this sort and see this legend horizontal axis, level font size auto, text color auto. Again click sort style and change this font, change text font, change background color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.